ओके सो ये जो बिजली अभी कड़का है इसके एक फ़ायदेमंद बात के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा। वो है नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन। You would be thinking that how this thunder is fixing nitrogen. So if we will go practically, then there is bonded nitrogen in the atmosphere. When the thunder passes through those nitrogen being bonded, it actually breaks the bond, and now the nitrogen is in free state, which combines with oxygen to form nitric oxide. And then we know that our atmosphere contains moisture, and that moisture will be combined with that nitric oxide, and this will form nitrate. And this nitrate is brought down to the soil by precipitation, that to be rain. Thank you.